Ghana. And welcome to Ghana, and this is a special symbol to share with you that we are in Ghana. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude, and of course I got myself a Ghana shirt, and I feel like I'm not going to take it off anymore. Why? Because I love Ghana, and Ghana is in my heart. This is one of the countries in West Africa. For those who don't know where Ghana is located in the west of Africa, and it's one of the countries that is twice Kenya. So if you know how big Kenya is, so you know a half of Kenya. So Ghana has a population, like in terms of landmass, about 233 something thousand square kilometers, and in Kenya we have about 500,000, 800 plus thousand kilometers in terms of landmass. So we say Ghana is twice in Kenya. Of course, I'm from East Africa, Kenya to be specific, and this day today I'm really happy about this situation over here. Despite what happened on the other end, today we are in this other side called Nima, and we want to know about Nima. But if you want us to know about Nima, yeah, so I was trying to tell you about Nima, and of course I'm from Kenya, and this is one of the greatest ways of doing this over here. So this day today I want to share with you how Nima is. I want to experience with you what is Nima. Nima is one of the outskirts of Accra, Ghana, in Ghana actually, but it is the outskirts of Ghana. So I want to share with you what is Nima, why is Nima, and why is regarded as Nima. Alright, so pay much attention, subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment, and let's cruise to this area over here in Nima, and we'll let you know where is Nima and what are kind of people who stays in Nima, the most local way of staying in Ghana. See you. So we are walking actually in the streets of Nima, and this is the main road that we are here in Nima as we are cruising on this other side. Probably I'm not alone. I'm also with a friend of mine who is going to take us around over here. Hey, what's up, bro?
I do, your side.
How are you?
Doing well.
It's sand.
Hey, yeah, now I swear. Yeah, we say.
Hey,
Assalamu alaikum.
Oh, here we say salam alaikum. Yeah, where are we today?
We are in Nima.
Yes.
Yeah.
What's famous about Nima?
Nima, the people.
Oh, the people.
Yeah, the music.
The music.
Yeah, Nima is known for a whole lot of things, but I'm changing the narrative to positive. You understand? Nima is loud. Nima is peaceful. Nima is great. You understand?
Wow.
Expect more greatness from Nima.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we want to change the perspective of Nima, because I have been going through my research, and people have been saying a lot about Nima. Nima was in the pre-colonial period, those days back. It used to be a land of Adoi Kwaos. Adoi Kwaos just said no, this land was a bare free land those days back, and he leads to Malam. Malam was one of the Muslim teachers over here who brought a lot of settlers, different people, settlers who settled over here. And
I taught you well.
right, who settled over here, and because he was welcoming different settlers who settled on this other end, it ended up being what we call like it ended up being a Muslim estates over here. So most of the people who stays here in Nima are Muslims. According to how they acquired this land, it was not sold to these people. According to Kwaos, Odu Kwaos, who acquired land from the Ga family, and later on leased out to this Malam, who was a cattle seller or a cattle dealer, and also about a cattle handler. On the other hand, he was also a Muslim teacher. So by that time, because when you say about cattle herder, it's like you need to allow a lot of animals to come, a lot of stuff, doing crazy stuff around here in this land. But due to that also, he used to welcome different settlers to come and help him with staycation of here, every area for herding animals. And due to that, it started to develop one by one, two by two, and it became a very big, and now it's regarded as today's Nima. Due to that also, according to what history tells us about, is like most of the people started to move from Accra, because it's near Accra, it's the outskirts of Accra. People started moving from the main city towards this. What was the main cause of people moving from the main city to this side? I don't know if I'm creating sense, or I'm trying to educate you a little bit about Nima. People started to come to migrate to this side due to high taxation, and the city Accra started to develop as faster in a high rapid space, or in a high rapid speed, that no one could ever sustain the taxation that was happening on the other side. Of course, I love Ghana, and I'm reading the histories of Ghana, and I want to experience and share with you the history of Ghana about some days, maybe find me more of this. So through this, people started coming to Nima, and nowadays Nima has been one of the biggest with a population of about 80,000 according to the Ghana statistics. Those days back in 2018, they say that Nima has a population of over 80,000 people staying here from different destinations. Mostly the people here you'll be able to see are Muslim, due to the teacher himself, Malam. So let's keep on exploring this city, or this place. It's not a city but a town, and we see what it will offer to us. Let's go. Oh, there's heavy traffic jam in front.
You've not seen nothing yet.
Yeah.
This is not traffic.
Okay, it's just people.
Yeah.
The trotro people. Wow. They sell here what you call like...
That's the market.
It is a market?
Yeah.
Maybe we can explore also the market about to see how locally people stay here, what they eat, what they sell, because I see a lot of spices on the other side on my left, and a lot of people moving here. It's one of the biggest, in what they call it as a slum, the most populated slum here, over here, but I don't see it as a slum. I see it as a home. And there's a lot of houses around. Because this side, this on the other end.
It's like you are good in holding the camera.
You fear?
No. Come on.
Alright guys, they sell fish.
I'm not.
Okay. Let's keep exploring. As you'll see, hardworking mamas, they are selling their cereals, spices. Let's keep on moving.
So we have Lamuji.
Lamuji people.
There's a drink that calls Lamuji.
Yes.
There is let me say what. I'll show you what I'm talking about.
Okay, we will be able to try Lamuji, guys.
Yeah, you try Lamuji.
Yes. Is it the most popular drink inside here, around Nima?
They have a lot.
Okay.
They have a lot.
Which is the most lovable drink?
It's Lamuji.
Okay.
And also, there is one that I've forgotten. Wow, shit, really?
Let's keep on exploring these, guys.
Yeah, I've forgotten that one.
Wow, it's a market day. Drink till you drop. Oh, they say drink till you drop. You drink until you drop down.
Drop your comment in the comment section.
Drop the comment under below at the comment section. They say drink until you drop. Wow, nice shot. Oh, you people have maize here.
Of course, of course now.
But you don't prepare ugali, you don't cook ugali, you cook banku.
Yeah, but we cook banku with this.
But your banku becomes sour.
But we add this to banku too.
Okay. Let's try and see what's happening. Okay, let's keep on exploring. You'll be able to see most of the people here. It looks mixed, but the domination of people here are mostly.
Afi too.
Okay, Afi?
Towards Afi.
What are that?
We will try that one too.
Okay.
So that you see what I'm talking about.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. All people live in the other side of life in Accra, Ghana. Okay.
They are renovating the place.
Oh, they're renovating this place.
Yeah, they are renovating the place.
Okay.
They are making roads.
Okay.
Where they're supposed to be high, they do it. Where
Okay.
it's supposed to be road, they make roads over there.
Okay.
Because some years ago, there wasn't really planned.
Mm-hmm.
So right now, the plan is in. So
Okay.
even if the plan is in your house, they have to break down your house and then
okay.
fix the road there.
Okay, so the current government is trying to fix it.
I don't really know if it's a government thing. You understand? But this is what I'm talking about.
Okay.
You understand?
Wow, guys, this place is regarded as a slum. Hey, come. Okay. But the way you see things on this side, wow. They all say Nima has old corrugated houses with old corrugated iron sheets. Yes, it has, but now according to the current situation that you see, there's some new developments in Nima. It's not the current the old Nima, but the new Nima. You see, even people have big cars, nice poshy tall buildings in Nima. The biggest
mosque in, let me say, West Africa is in Ghana.
Is in Ghana.
And it's in Nima.
It's in Nima.
Yeah.
Wow. So that really changes the narrative of Nima. It used to be said that Nima used to be very, it used to be controversial, like it used to be the most fearful place.
Yeah.
Is it true that Nima used to be so?
It used to be.
But now?
It is still be. You understand? But it needs to be strong.
Strong. Okay.
Yeah, but it's not what you think.
Wow.
You understand?
So we go down. Okay.
It's not what you think.
We used to be told that for you to survive in Nima, you need to be strong.
Yeah.
You need to
mentally,
be mentally,
physically,
fit,
spiritually.
You need to go to the gym.
It's not about gym.
You need to have juju.
It's not about juju.
This is Nima for you, and let's explore Nima as you keep on learning like the other side, not only showing you the city, but sharing with you about Nima. Oh.
Living a life with nothing and still surviving.
Okay.
You understand?
I got you, bro. Shopping center Nima. Wow.
You see they're ongoing.
Okay. There's road construction all over.
To ask some people, what is something about Nima that people have been? Okay. I don't want it to be just me. I want you to have,
For sure, Nima is so vibrant, guys. A lot of people moving up and down. Yes, they are Muslims. And let's keep on exploring the city itself as we see what's happening and what's moving. People take a life of their own to be traffic officers on their own. This is Nima. Okay. Nima. the most vibrant area, Nima.
You didn't speak with them.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, we can go there.
Mom.
Okay. Hello.
You.
So
Sure.
this way.
But even the song, we should have played some on Friday. On Friday, they come here to pray. Fridays. Every Friday. They come here to pray.